Hello everyone. Today at our Navjivan CBSE Academy, we have conducted one parent orientation program. So let's come and connect with our resource person to know the main purpose of the orientation program and to know more about the orientation program, that how it was beneficial for the parents. Hello ma'am and sir. As you conducted today in our campus that parent orientation program, so may I know the main purpose of this program, that for what you have conducted this program, so and how it will be beneficial for the parents as well as for the teachers.
First of all, hi.
Hello ma'am.
So basically, the purpose behind this parent orientation was we wanted all of our parents to come together at one particular place and understand how their children learn inside the classroom. And not only that, but then how the parents can help them at home as well. So children come to the class, they learn something, they go home. So we have to understand that how this sync can happen between in-class and at-home learning. Also, we wanted our parents to know what kind of learning we do inside the classroom. We do a kind of blended learning wherein we, tell them about books as well. They learn through videos as well. They do some activities inside the classroom. So we wanted them to know about this. And so, would you like to add something to it?
Sure. So basically what happens when a kid spends some healthy time at school, there's some lackings when the student goes home, he spends unhealthy time with the parent. All of a sudden the parent do not have those terminologies what a teacher possibly uses in the school. The parents do not have those lesson plans through which a teacher teaches in the classroom. So there's a feel that a parent should have something, so that a parent, whenever he or she tries to spend some good time with the students, they can actually do that. So within this, how do we help the parents? In fact, how did we help the parent at your school today? We made them install an application, and I would suggest, in fact, I would say your school is amongst those good schools in Rajasthan who are exactly following NEP 2020 method. So kudos to you, ma'am.
Thanks sir.
So we made the parents install an application, that is ClassClap learning app, because ClassClap being the academic partner of school again. So we supported the parents with those methodologies what a parent should have at least with them. Like ma'am has already talked about blend approach. So it consists both synchronous and asynchronous platforms. Not for the academic parts or academic development of a child, but also for non-academic activities as well. And hence for the same, if they have that application with you, obviously yes, undoubtedly the application is going to help the parents. So that again they can benefit the students at home.
I just want to few words from Anshuman sir also, that how he felt about after the session.
So actually the learning should be 100%. So there is a triangle, like school can't teach the kids individually, parent can't teach them individually. So there is a triangle, parent, bacha and school.
Yes.
So Navjivan following the complete triangle. So it's a wonderful session, and thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. As you attended today the parent orientation program in our campus, so what do you think? What's your opinion that how it is beneficial for you and for your kid and all? Please.
Thanks for this opportunity. So I think it was a great platform, where we can understand what things are going on, and we can just understand what new initiative this school is taking for children's. So how digitally they are involving, and how we can involve them as well, because we know that it's a digital era as well with the technology as discussed. So I think it's really helpful, and I think it's a really we really appreciate such initiative, and using those I think we can interact more. So I think it's going to be quite helpful for children as well. So whenever they are absent, they are ill, all conditions, it will be really helpful for that.
One more question with मैम. मैम, अब तक आपका जो टीचिंग पैटर्न है वो क्या था बच्चे के साथ और अब क्या होगा? तो पहले का टीचिंग पैटर्न और अब क्या होगा उसका थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आप बताएंगे मुझे?
अच्छा, वो अभी जब सर ने बताया है अंदर की, जैसे वो एक ऐप्स है उसके अंदर जैसे उस बच्चे के रिलेटेड जो ऐप्स वीडियोस है वो डालने हैं, हमें जो उसको पसंद है उससे रिलेटेड वीडियोस डालकर उसको पढ़ाना है।
और अभी तक आप कैसे पढ़ा रहे थे?
अभी तक तो वो पढ़ाई कम ही करती थी, मोबाइल ज़्यादा देखती थी। इसके पापा उसको ज़्यादा पढ़ाते हैं, मेरे पास तो कम ही पढ़ाई करती है वो।
तो अभी वो मोबाइल के साथ उसके सारे वीडियोस जो कंटेंट वीडियोस है वो आप
वो उससे
उसके साथ
रिलेटेड हाँ
share
शेयर करेंगे हम।
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Let's come in touch with one more parent after attending the parent orientation program. मैम आप क्या बताएंगे कि जो अभी अपना स्कूल का सेशन चलता है, सेम एनवायरनमेंट बच्चों को घर पे नहीं मिल पाता है। अब तक आपका यही ओपिनियन था, ठीक है? तो आफ्टर अटेंडिंग द पेरेंट ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम आप किस तरह से घर का और स्कूल का एनवायरनमेंट है जो कुछ थोड़ा बहुत सेम कर सकते हैं?
इस ऐप के थ्रू हम पेरेंट्स भी घर पे है ना अच्छे से पढ़ा सकते हैं बच्चे को। इतने दिन ऐसे लग रहा था कि हम कैसे पढ़ाएं, टीचर्स बच्चे को कैसे पढ़ाते हैं हमें पता नहीं रहता था, तो हम बच्चे को प्रॉपर वर्क नहीं करवा पाते थे और वो होमवर्क कर लेते बाकी याद नहीं करते कुछ। तो इस ऐप के थ्रू हम क्लास देख सकते हैं और फिर उसमें इम्प्रूव करवा सकते हैं बच्चे में।
थैंक यू मैम। एज मैम्स ओपिनियन इज़ कि जो क्लास में टीचर्स पढ़ा रही हैं कॉन्सेप्ट, वही सेम कॉन्सेप्ट हम बच्चों को घर पे भी पढ़ा सकते हैं। मींस जो स्कूल का एनवायरनमेंट है वो हम घर पे भी बच्चे के साथ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं ताकि जो गैप है, कम्युनिकेशन गैप, वो थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा। थैंक यू मैम।